recording the sewer line here at 1608 37th Avenue. Date is
March 11th.
March 11th, 2020. March 10th, 2020. Recording this from the upstream cleanout right here at the back side of the house. Shown there, an old ABS cleanout. And recording down through the sewer line. We're going to look at the liner repair, starting there, lipped into the ABS plastic, and then heading downstream. This was all original concrete line before this project. This is all new 4-inch, new flow, cure-in-place pipeline now. There's the repair we did. So originally there was a broken section of line down on the ivy kind of hillside of the back side of the home here. So we replaced this with new plastic, added a clean out down there, and then lined through another short section of the broken pipe. Which brings us out to our 4x6 transition. So this part of the pipe still original concrete down under the sidewalk. And then new plastic out to the city main. So there's our city main sewer line out in the middle of 38th Avenue down there, approximately 76 feet away from our clean out here in the back of the home. So we'll also record on the way back just for double duty.
Oh, it's the joint between the concrete and the...
Oh, where the liner ends?
Yeah.